Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the essential tools in any makeup kit, the brush tip eyeliner. If you're on the hunt for an eyeliner that's easy to apply, long-lasting, and gives you that perfect wing, then you're in the right place. After testing tons of products, I've narrowed it down to my top 5 favorite brush tip eyeliners that are absolutely worth trying. Whether you're after a subtle everyday look or a bold, dramatic eye, these liners have got you covered. So, let's jump right in. At number 1 position, we have Wet n Wild Brush Tip Eyeliner. First up, we have the Wet n Wild Brush Tip Eyeliner. This one is a game changer, especially if you're on a budget. Wet n Wild has been a go-to for affordable makeup that doesn't skimp on quality, and this eyeliner is no different. Priced at around $5, it's perfect for those who want a reliable liner without breaking the bank. The brush tip is thin and flexible, making it easy to control. Whether you're a beginner or an eyeliner pro, this tip allows you to create anything from a subtle line to a more dramatic wing. The formula is smudge-proof and surprisingly long-lasting for its price. It doesn't have the richest pigment compared to higher-end options, but it builds nicely with a second layer. Pros: affordable, smudge-proof, easy-to-use brush tip. Cons: requires layering for a more intense black. If you're looking for an everyday liner or just want to try out a brush tip, this one's definitely worth considering. Moving on to the next at number 2 with L'Oréal Paris Brush Tip Eyeliner. L'Oréal Paris Brush Tip Eyeliner, high-end quality at drugstore prices. Next, we have the L'Oréal Paris Brush Tip Eyeliner. This liner really impressed me with its smooth application and deep black color. L'Oréal has crafted a great formula here that's not only long-lasting but also resists smudging and fading throughout the day. What makes this eyeliner stand out is its ultra-fine brush tip, which allows for precise lines. It's perfect if you love a super sharp wing or need that control for detail work. It's waterproof, so it won't budge even if you're dealing with humidity or have oily skin. Pros: intense pigment, long-lasting and waterproof, ultra-precise brush tip. Cons: slightly more expensive than other drugstore options. For a drugstore product, it really feels like a high-end liner. If you want a bold, lasting look, this one won't disappoint. The number 3 position is held by JOAH Brush Tip Eyeliner. JOAH Brush Tip Eyeliner, Korean beauty inspired. Moving on to the JOAH Brush Tip Eyeliner. If you're into Korean beauty products, JOAH might already be on your radar. This eyeliner combines a sleek design with a smooth, pigmented formula that's super comfortable to wear. The brush tip is incredibly soft, so it glides effortlessly over the eyelid without tugging. It's ideal if you have sensitive eyes or if you prefer a softer feel. The formula is smudge-resistant and stays in place for hours, although it's not as waterproof as L'Oréal's. Pros: gentle brush tip, great for sensitive eyes, smooth, even application, smudge-resistant. Cons: not fully waterproof. This liner's easy application and comfort make it a favorite, especially for anyone looking for a gentle product with quality results. Next at number 4, we have e.l.f. Brush Tip Eyeliner. e.l.f. Brush Tip Eyeliner, the best for beginners. Next is the e.l.f. Brush Tip Eyeliner. Known for their budget-friendly products, e.l.f. has once again delivered a product that punches well above its weight. For around $4, this liner offers a reliable, jet black formula that applies smoothly. The brush tip is slightly shorter and firmer, which can be a plus if you're new to brush tip liners. It gives a bit more control, allowing you to achieve a clean line without too much pressure. It's also easy to correct if you make a mistake, as it doesn't set immediately. While it's not the most long-lasting, it holds up for about 6 to 8 hours, which is solid for everyday use. Pros and cons: pros, affordable and accessible, beginner-friendly brush tip, smooth, even application. Cons: moderate wear time. If you're just starting with eyeliner or looking for a reliable daily option, e.l.f. is an excellent choice. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Annabelle Brush Tip Eyeliner. Annabelle Brush Tip Eyeliner, the underrated gem. Last but definitely not least is the Annabelle Brush Tip Eyeliner. This one's a bit underrated but totally worth checking out. The brush tip is flexible yet firm, giving you precision with control, making it a great pick if you like a versatile liner. The formula is richly pigmented and has a satin finish that looks beautiful on the eyes. It's waterproof and lasts through long days without smudging or fading. Plus, it's hypoallergenic, which is a bonus if you have sensitive skin or eyes. Pros: rich pigment with a satin finish, waterproof and long-lasting, hypoallergenic. Cons: may be harder to find in some stores. Annabelle may not be as well known as other brands, but this liner's quality speaks for itself. It's especially great for anyone with sensitive skin who wants a reliable, lasting liner. So, there you have it, my top 5 picks for the best brush tip eyeliners. Each one has its unique strengths, so here's a quick recap to help you decide. Best budget pick: Wet n Wild, affordable and great for daily use. Best precision: L'Oréal Paris, for those who love a sharp, precise wing. Best for sensitive eyes: JOAH, super gentle and comfortable to wear. Best for beginners: e.l.f, easy to apply and forgiving for new users. Best overall quality: Annabelle, long-lasting, waterproof, and hypoallergenic. If I had to pick one, I'd go with the L'Oréal Paris Brush Tip Eyeliner for its intense pigment and all-day wear, but honestly, any of these liners can work depending on your needs.